Hello and assalamu alaikum. So in today's video we will gonna learn how to generate free tokens in GitHub. So let's get started without any wasting of time. So first of all you have to open your GitHub account. After that you have to click on your profile. And here you have to open the settings. After that you have to scroll down a little bit and open the developer settings. And here tap on personal access tokens. After that classic tokens. So if you have any previously generated token, you have to delete that one in order to create the new one. So I'm gonna delete this one for the creation of new token. After that click on generate new token. And here you can select the duration of it according to your need. The first option is necessary to check, which is the repo one. You can also check the other options. We haven't named the key, so that's why the error was coming, which is necessary. You can write the purpose of the key here. And our key has been successfully generated. Please must copy the key from here as it's shown once and save it with yourself. So that's it. Hopefully you have enjoyed the tutorial. For any issue, please must ask in the comment section. Take care and Allah Hafiz.